Dear students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the different types of combustion processes. From the lesson Combustion Fuels and Flame of 8th class physics. And during summer time, dry grass catches fire in the forest. It may spread to the trees and very soon the whole forest will be on the fire. And recently in the Australia also we have seen the forest fires. It is very difficult to control such forest fires. You can see in the picture. See, there should be no lighted thing, no lighted candle, no lighted matchsticks. The fire catches by itself. If the head of a matchstick is rubbed on the side of a matchbox, it starts burning. What makes the matchsticks to catch fire? Let us see. For that, you need to know the materials required to prepare the matchstick and the side of the matchbox. And the substances are, here we go, antimony trisulfide, potassium chlorate, white phosphorus, that should always be kept under water, animal glue, and together we can make the matchsticks. And the match stick or match head contains a mixture of potassium chlorate, powdered glass, sulfur, and animal glue. And wooden stick is also impregnated with ammonium phosphate. When it struck against a rough surface, white phosphorus got ignited due to the heat of friction. This starts the combustion of the matchstick. However, white phosphorus proved to be dangerous both for the workers involved in the manufacturing of matchboxes and for the users also. You can see in the slow motion that how matchstick catches fire on rubbing on the side of the box. These days, the head of the safety matchstick contains only antimony trisulfide and potassium chlorate. These two. And we have red phosphorus in the place of white phosphorus because which is less dangerous. And a powdered glass powder is also there. When we rub the matchstick against the rubbing surface, rough surface, some of the red phosphorus gets converted into white phosphorus, and this immediately react with the potassium chlorate in the matchstick head to produce enough heat to ignite antimony trisulfide, and it starts the combustion. So this is how it goes. And here, in the case of matchstick or in the case of fire forest, there is no external flame to catch up. Okay, na? By rubbing the trees and by rubbing the matchstick with this rough surface, they catch fire. So this type of combustion in which material suddenly burns into flames without the application of any external agent is called spontaneous combustion. Turn on the knob of a gas stove in the kitchen and bring a burning matchstick or a gas lighter near it. The gas burns rapidly and produces heat and light. Such combustion is known as rapid combustion. And materials such as spirit, petrol, and camphor burn even with a spark from a gas lighter. You can see in the pictures. It immediately catches fire rapidly, so hence it is an example for rapid combustion. Students, I hope you understood. Thank you.